Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Daddy Jerome! Salamat sa lahat at umuwi ka na dito para magbinggo tayo. Happy birthday, Ninang Jerome! We love you! We love you!
Mikay!
Happy birthday, Ninang Jerome! I miss you! I love you! Happy birthday, Daddy Jerome! Thank you po sa lahat ng gift mo sa akin. Mag-iingat ka po palagi sa trabaho mo. I love you!
Happy birthday po, Ninang
Happy
Jerome.
birthday! You're so old right now. You should be called Uncle.
Happy birthday po. Sana po mabigyan ka po dyan maraming pagkain po. At sana po
I
magka-playlist ka
hope you should
po.
bring your cat if you can do that because the cat is fat.
Sana po yung sa mga mag-diet. Thank you po. Pero thank you po sa lahat ng mag-gift. Thank you po. Yung headset. Yung Nutella.
Well, an old man, but that's
Sana pa
okay.
Yung sombrero. Tapos yung ano pa. Isa pang Nutella. Tapos yung ano pa yung gift card. Thank you po. Thank you.
Hi, good morning. Madaling araw na dito sa amin. So, ayun nga. At dahil nalalapit na ang birthday ng isa nating pinakamamahal na kaibigan, gusto ko lang siyang batiin ng happy birthday. So, yun. Of course, good health and more happiness in your life, diba? So, enjoy your day. I just want to say thank you for being my friend. Sa lahat ng mga pinagsamahan natin, guys.
Happy birthday, Kuya Je! Enjoy your special day. Stay happy, cool, at good vibes lagi. Happy birthday!
Hello po Kuya Jerome, happy birthday po. Super thank you kasi marami ka pong bagay na pinaranas sa akin. And then super saya namin kapag kasama ka, kaya kahit nasa malayo ka, gusto namin talaga yung presence mo. And then ayun lang, happy birthday, keep healthy, palagi mong alagaan yung sarili mo. Wala tong script, ano to, ako lang to. Palagi mong alagaan yung health mo kasi health is wealth. And then masaya kami. Kung masaya ka, mas masaya kami. Kaya yun, happy birthday. See you next year.
Happy birthday, Je! Enjoy your day. Bingo na? Let's go! Waiting ka ng chika, no? Saka na yon. Enjoy your day muna. Happy birthday!
Ayan, happy birthday, Je! Thank you for being so kind and generous friend to us. Sobrang grateful ako sa friendship and the support and the happiness you bring to us. I pray that your goals and dream in life will come true according to God's perfect timing and will. May He continue to bless you with good health, happiness, and more success in everything you do. See you soon and enjoy your special day. Love you so much!
Hi sis, happy birthday. Thank you for everything, for being one of my rock. And lagi kong pinagpipray kay God na lagi kang ingatan at ibigay niya sa'yo kung ano yung gusto ng puso mo na makakabuti para sa'yo. Tapos, basta lagi kang maging masaya at lagi kang maging positive sa buhay. Tapos, ang love life, soon yan. Abangan natin yan. At, ayun lang, mag-iingat ka palagi, and andito lang ako para sa'yo always. I love you.